Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list? Or perhaps you've struggled to keep track of multiple projects at once. So you're not alone. Many people find themselves drowning in a sea of tasks and deadlines. That's where Wrike comes in. In today's fast-paced world, efficient project management is more important than ever. Wrike is a powerful tool that can help individuals and teams streamline their workflows, increase productivity, and achieve their goals. But what exactly is Wrike? And why is it so popular? What is Wrike? Wrike is a cloud-based project management software that offers a wide range of features, including task management, collaboration, and reporting. It allows users to create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress in a centralized location. Key features of Wrike. Task management. Wrike provides a flexible task management system that allows users to break down projects into smaller, manageable tasks. You can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and track progress using a variety of views, such as Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and lists. Collaboration. Wrike makes it easy for teams to collaborate on projects. You can create shared workspaces, assign permissions, and communicate with team members using comments, @mentions, and real-time updates. Reporting. Wrike offers a variety of reporting tools that can help you track progress, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. You can create custom reports, analyze project performance, and share insights with stakeholders. Integration. Wrike integrates with a wide range of other tools, including Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. This makes it easy to manage your projects and collaborate with team members, regardless of the tools you use. Why is Wrike used? Now that we know what Wrike is, let's explore why it's so popular. Here are some of the key reasons why people choose Wrike. Improved productivity. Wrike can help you and your team become more productive by streamlining your workflows and eliminating bottlenecks. By organizing your tasks and tracking progress, you can stay focused and avoid wasting time on unnecessary activities. Enhanced collaboration. Wrike makes it easy for teams to collaborate on projects, even if they are located in different parts of the world. By providing a central platform for communication and collaboration, Wrike can help teams work together more effectively and efficiently. Better decision-making. Wrike's reporting features can help you make data-driven decisions about your projects. By tracking progress, identifying bottlenecks, and analyzing project performance, you can make informed decisions that will help you achieve your goals. Increased visibility. Wrike provides a clear overview of project status, making it easy for stakeholders to stay informed and up to date. This can help to improve communication and accountability within your team. Wrike use cases. Wrike is used by a wide range of individuals and organizations, including freelancers and solopreneurs. Wrike can help freelancers and solopreneurs stay organized and manage their projects effectively. Small businesses. Small businesses can use Wrike to improve their project management processes and increase productivity. Large corporations. Large corporations can use Wrike to manage complex projects and coordinate the work of distributed teams. Nonprofit organizations. Nonprofit organizations can use Wrike to manage their projects and track their impact. Getting started with Wrike. If you're interested in trying Wrike, there are a few things you need to know. Pricing. Wrike offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Free trial. You can try Wrike for free before committing to a paid plan. Training and support. Wrike provides a variety of resources, including training materials and customer support, to help you get started and make the most of the software. Wrike is a powerful project management tool that can help individuals and teams streamline their workflows, increase productivity, and achieve their goals. With its wide range of features, including task management, collaboration, reporting, and integration, Wrike is a versatile solution that can be used by businesses of all sizes. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your project management processes, I encourage you to give Wrike a try. You can sign up for a free trial today and see for yourself how Wrike can help you achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.